Hi folks, in today's video I'm going to be explaining what we're going to be doing from now on until you finish in 4th year. You're starting National Chemistry and I'm going to explain what that is, the different topics that you have to cover, what's in those topics and an explanation about National 5 versus National 4, so please keep listening. Here we have the course. We have 3 units, Chemical Changes and Chemical Structure, that's Unit 1, Nature's Chemistry, Unit 2, and Chemistry in Society. Now we're going to spend probably up until June this year doing the very first unit, which is Chemical Changes and Chemical Structures. It's quite a big unit. There's lots of very key concepts that we need to know before we move on to other units. So if you have a look below, we have 5 different topics within it. You've got rates of reaction, which is what we're going to start with first, atomic structure, bonding, chemical formula, equations and calculations, and acids, bases and neutralisation. On, you'll see in Nature's Chemistry you've got 3 topics, something called homologous series, everyday consumer products and energy from fuels. So you'll do that probably until Christmas this year. And then Chemistry in Society, which is something that you'll do next year. You've got metals, plastics, fertilisers, nuclear chemistry and chemical analysis. So what's the difference between National 4 and National 5? Well, with National 5 it's got an exam at the end of it, which is the most important thing, and also something called an assignment. An assignment is out of 20 marks and the exam's out of 100, so this is something that you do round about May, June time. There's also no unit assessments, but we might still use them, so you could get tests at the end of each topic just to help you understand what you're doing. With National 4, there are 3 unit assessments. They're split up into knowledge and problem solving. You've also got something called an added value unit, so that's like a little project that you do, you work on and you research yourself. And then finally you've got something called an outcome 1. An outcome 1 is a lab report that you write up from an experiment. In the National 4 assessments, you only need to achieve half marks to get your National 4, which hopefully doesn't seem as daunting as it sounds. And that's us finished. Hopefully that gives you a little insight about what you're going to be doing over the next few months, and certainly all the things that you need to get to achieve your National in Chemistry.